This is the ultimate quiz challenge. So, how much do you know about squirrels? This squirrel quiz is all about these fascinating little creatures. How they live, what they eat, their amazing abilities. We've got 25 questions, and you've got 10 seconds. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Let's start. The primary purpose of squirrel's bushy tail is to keep warm and balance. How long do squirrels generally live in their natural habitat? It's B, 5 to 10 years. Squirrels are members of which family? Sciuridae, Canidae, or Felidae? It's Sciuridae. What unusual behavior do squirrels exhibit to confuse predators? Hide underwater, climb the trees, or dig fake burrows? It's dig fake burrows. How do baby squirrels communicate with their mothers? By tapping, by chirping, or by using scent trail? It's by chirping. What do squirrels do before eating a nut? Sniff it and rotate it, crack it immediately, or hide it for later? It's sniff it and rotate it. What do squirrels do when they encounter another squirrel's buried nuts? They avoid it, they steal it, or they throw it? It's B, they steal it. What type of animal is a squirrel? Mammal, reptile, or amphibian? It's a mammal. What percentage of nuts buried by squirrels are typically lost? It's up to 50%. What unique feature allows squirrels to climb down trees headfirst? It's double-jointed legs. What is the most common squirrel in the world? Red squirrel, fox squirrel, or gray squirrel? It's gray squirrel. Which part of the world has no native squirrels? Australia, South America, or Europe? It's Australia. What is the smallest species of squirrel in the world? Pygmy squirrel, palm squirrel, or dwarf squirrel? It's pygmy squirrel. How often do squirrels molt? 4 times a year, twice a year, or never? What is the term for a group of squirrels? A nest, a pack, a scurry? It's a scurry. Which region is home to the largest species of squirrel? The Malabar giant squirrel? India, Chile, or Indonesia? It's India. For how long can squirrels remember the locations of their buried food? Several months, several days, several weeks? It's several months. What unique habit do squirrels have that helps grow forests? It's forgetting buried seeds. How long is the eastern gray squirrel's pregnancy period? 64 days, 44 days, 34 days? It's 44 days. What is the average heart rate of a squirrel? How quickly do a squirrel's incisor teeth grow each year? It's 6 inches per year. Which squirrel species is native to the UK and has lived there for about 10,000 years? It's red squirrels. How fast an eastern gray squirrel run? 5 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour. It's 20 miles per hour. What is the average weight of an adult squirrel? 1 to 2 pounds. Which country's squirrels are capable of eating mushrooms that are toxic to humans? It's Japanese squirrels. Thanks for watching the video. Let us know how you did in the comment, and support our channel by subscribing to it. Until next time, have a great day.